Now, this Valentine's Day, we may not be able to get out to a restaurant. So why not be the chef in your own kitchen? I have the perfect dish that you can make for you and your honey, and it's a seafood linguine, tutto mare, the Italians say, everything from the sea. We'll start with the linguine. So get yourself a large saucepan, add a couple of liters of water and a teaspoon of salt. Bring that water to a boil and add some dry pasta. You're going to strain that off and then rinse it with a little cold water. Toss in a couple of tablespoons of olive oil just so it doesn't stick together. Now we're going to make the sauce. So get yourself a large frying pan. You're going to add about 3 tablespoons of olive oil into the pan and heat that up. The onions that you've already pre-prepared, about 1/4 cup diced, you're going to put those in as soon as the heat is ready. Then you're going to add the carrots at the same time and let that all cook and let them get a little soft with the onions. Add then some mushrooms and the garlic. You're going to add 1/2 cup of cherry tomatoes that you've cut in half and 1/4 cup of white wine. The white wine you're drinking is what you should put into the pan. Let that all simmer for about 5 minutes. If it gets a little dry, add a little stock to it to bring back some of the liquid. You're then going to add 1.5 cups of seafood, your choice. We're going to put some shrimp and some scallops in there, but if you have some mussels or a lobster, even some cod, you can put that in there. Let that all simmer, then you're going to add your linguine in there. Let that simmer for about 5 minutes. Toss that all, season with salt and pepper. Make sure you taste your dish before you serve. Get yourself a couple of pasta bowls. Distribute the linguine between the two, topping with the vegetables and the seafood. Shave yourself a little Parmigiano Reggiano and top with a little bit of parsley. Now, this Valentine's, you're the chef in your own kitchen.